Hello, welcome back to Ayan Max. Today, this is our challenging question. So, here solve 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 9 and x is greater than y. 1 by cube root of x plus 1 by cube root of y into 1 plus 1 by cube root of x into 1 plus 1 by cube root of y is equal to 80 now. So, as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 800 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you, Amma. So how to solve this problem? So first of all, we'll go for substitution. Amma. Let 1 a is equal to 1 by cube root of x. B is equal to 1 by cube root of y. So if you do the substitution, the calculation you can do easily. So here the first equation will become here a cube plus b cube is equal to 9. And the second equation what will get a plus b into 1 plus a into 1 plus b is equal to 80 now. So here if you multiply among last two terms, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. If you take the first one, from first one you can write formula a cube plus b cube formula a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. From second formula you can write a plus b into 1 plus a plus b plus ab is equal to 80 now. From the second one you are writing this one. Now here let us take P is equal to A plus B and Q is equal to AB. Then the equation will become P into P square minus 3Q is equal to 9 and P into 1 plus P plus Q is equal to 80 now. So here if you multiply this, P cube minus 3PQ is equal to 9. P cube minus 9 is equal to 3PQ and Q is equal to P cube minus 9 by 3P. So here also we can get 1 plus P plus Q is equal to 18 by P. Now here Q is equal to 18 by P minus P minus 1. Both values are same here, Q values. Now eliminate Q. So here what will get P cube minus 9 by 3P is equal to 18 by P minus P minus 1. So P cube minus 9 by 3P is equal to 18 minus P square minus P by 3P. Here you are taking 3 into. So you can remove the denominators now. So what will get here now? P cube minus 9 is equal to 54 minus 3P square minus 3P. So here P cube plus 3P square plus 3P is equal to 63. So this can be written as p cube plus 3p square plus 3p plus 1 is equal to 64. So p plus 1 whole cube is equal to 64. P plus 1 is equal to 4. P value are getting 3. So here p value 3. Then what about q value? 18 by 3 minus 3 minus 1. Here 6 minus 4. Q value is 2. So p value 3, q value 2. So what is p means? A plus b is equal to 3. AB is equal to 2. So here you can take a value 2, b value 1, or you can take a value 1, b value 2. So here you can neglect this value. Why? Because here a is greater than b. X is greater than y. So here if you take a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. So here a value is 1 by cube root of x is equal to 2. 1 by x is equal to 2 cube 8. X is equal to 1 by 8. If you take b value, 1 by cube root of y is equal to 1. 1 by y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. So here x value is less than y. So here you are not taking this value. You will go to the second case. So if you take the second case, what will get 1 by cube root of x equal to 1. 1 by x equal to 1. X equal to 1. If you take the second case, 1 by cube root of y is equal to 2. 1 by y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 1 by 8. So given x is greater than y, so here you will get the solution 1 comma 1 by 8. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max.